Hi everybody, today I want to show you how to uninstall a program that's not possible to uninstall in traditional way by going to, for example, I will show you the traditional ways in case you haven't tried it. So you go to the control panel, then you go to uninstall a program, and then you try to find that program and install it. But if that program is not there, what you have to do is to close that, type the name of the program. In this instance is the net limiter, and then it appears here, and then right click and then click on find file location. Then it finds you the shortcut, then you again right click and then you go to open file location, then brings you to your local C drive, then the program files, the software, and then here you should try to search for a program or a name called erase or uninstall, and if it's there, double click on it and run it to uninstall it. If that works, that's fair enough, that's good, you're successful now. But if that didn't work, or in my case it doesn't have the uninstall option in here in this folder, what you have to do is to download a program, a third-party program called IO-Bit uninstaller. So in Google, just type in IO-Bit uninstaller, then the first page appears, then you select that, then you click free download, then you click download, it downloads it, then you go to your download folder, the program is downloaded here, run it, run the installation. Once the installation complete, which I've already done to save you time, you go to the all the applications that it recognize, it finds out for you. But in my example, it couldn't find my application, so that's why I created this video. The reason I created this video was because that program was so hard to uninstall. So what we have to do to really uninstall it is go to the tools. In here there is a tools. Okay, this is really important. Finding the tools is not an easy and obvious thing. So where is it? It's actually up here in this corner. Up here in this corner, a thing called tools. Select that, then select force uninstall. Then it will ask you to browse, or if you already opened the folder like I've done, just drag and drop into here. It automatically finds a path, then click on uninstall, and it says you have automatically uninstalled the details below, then click OK. As you can see, that program doesn't exist here anymore. Now there is another one which is also an application, so look for all the application, then go and repeat the same process for that application. Go to the tools, force uninstall, go to that folder, drag and drop here and click uninstall. It's uninstalled it. If you go there, that's not there anymore. There is one more here, let's try that. So all the applications we need to remove. This first, drag and drop, uninstall. Okay, back there. So you remove all the application files, type, and you see all application gone. Then click back, so it's in that folder, click back, it's in that folder. Just now right click on it and delete this. So you might have to restart your computer now to finish the whole process. I hope this video helps you. If it did, please don't forget to share and subscribe, and if it helps you very well, put a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time in my next video.